Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ella and I teach Levantine Arabic or Levantine Arabic, Levantine Arabic. Everyone says it in a different way. Anyway, I teach Arabic, mainly Levantine Arabic, which is Jordan, Palestine, Syria, Lebanon. And as you know, maybe you know, I teach private lessons. I don't have many groups. You can put yourself on the wait list, but I mainly teach private lessons. I do have availability now. Contact me, and my prices are really good. I do have availability at this time, and make it your New Year resolution and start lessons with me, because the availability and the prices are not going to stay available forever. Okay, all my contact information underneath the video, my email, my website, all of it. Okay, so today I'm going to go over phrases that we don't really use in English, like when you don't really use them or say them. Some students, they might, like they cannot translate them literally from English to Arabic or Arabic to English because they don't really exist. We mainly use them in Arabic, and they are like kind of a friendly phrases. We use them in special occasion. So if you want to like blend in with the native speakers and learn how we talk to each other and learn some friendly and nice phrases, I'm going to go over a few. Today I'm going to go over four phrases. I have them right there. I'm going to go over four. So this is like part one, and next time I'm going to go over a few. So let's start. I'm going to share a screen with you. If you have seen my previous videos, I usually share a screen. I always have Google Sheets, and I have all the information right there. So let me share with you. Give me 1 second. Yeah, right here. Okay. Okay, so as you see, we have four different ones in special occasions, and we say specific phrases for these occasions. So now when someone is sick, so let's say someone told you, oh, I'm sick, I have a cold, I'm not feeling well. So you would say in Arabic, salamtek, salamtek. So I'm going to write it for you so you see it. And here I'll put a kasra, assuming I'm talking to a girl. So if you know the suffixes, like when you talk to a male, it's different for a female, it's different for he, she, you plural. So it depends on who you're talking to. According to that, you would say like salamtek, salamtak, salamitha, whoever you're talking to. So I'm going to highlight the suffix. That's where you would change. Let me highlight this. It's not highlighting. Okay, so here I highlighted the kaf. So that's if we were talking to you as a female. If you're talking to a guy, you would say salamtak. So the word is salamtek, salamtek. Now let's say someone's going to travel. What we say in this situation, we say تروح وترجع بالسلامة. تروح وترجع بالسلامة. So these are three words. I'm gonna break them. I'm gonna write them first, and then I'll go over each word. So تروح وترجع بالسلامة. My computer's so slow. Okay, تروح وترجع بالسلامة right here. This one is not خاء, it's ha. Okay. So تروح وترجع بالسلامة. تروح وترجع. These two words are present tense. So تروح, if you know the verb راح, to go, ترجع, to return, بالسلامة. So if you notice سلامتك, سلامة, basically the word سلامة means safety. So تروح وترجع بالسلامة, so you go and return like safely, basically. So that's what we say. تروح وترجع بالسلامة. So if you know the present tense, for example, if we were talking to a girl, a woman, I would say تروحي وترجعي بالسلامة. If I was talking to a guy, I would say تروح وترجع بالسلامة. I'm not gonna highlight anything here because, or actually I can highlight the ta. That's basically the present tense if you have learned the present tense in Arabic. So we highlight this orange, so you know this is where you do changes to the words. And this one. Okay. So now if someone's back from travels or surgery, I know like back from travels or surgery, you might say, this is weird. Like what's the relationship between travels or surgery? I know, but like back from travels, you know, like things might go bad, or rarely, I hope, or never. Anyway, so things might get bad in travels, right? In flight, and flight might fall or something, someone might die, you know. It rarely happens, but does happen. Or a surgery, you know, something bad happened during surgery. So if someone went through something like that put their lives in like danger somehow, I know travels is not that extreme, but you know, so back from travels or surgery, we say Alhamdulillah ala salame. Alhamdulillah. I'm gonna just write it and then go over the words. Alhamdulillah ala al-salame. So here you don't change it, whether you are talking to a man, a woman, to whoever you're talking to. It's the same always. Alhamdulillah ala salame. So Alhamdulillah, thank God, you know. Alhamdulillah, thank goodness or thank God. Ala salame, for your safety, like thank goodness for your safety. Like you notice here salamtek, salame, salame. Basically, again, the word salame means safety. And also if you know the word, some people say salam, which means like peace. So it's just all these meanings are related, like safety, peace, you know. So yeah. Now, if someone made something to you, mainly food, like something to you, like you were invited for a dinner and they made you food, or like they made an effort to make something for you. So in this situation, we say Islam or Tislam, depends on who you're talking to, ideki or idek. Let's assume she's a woman. Tislam ideki. Tislam, basically it's same thing, like basically it's similar to thank you, you know, like Tislam, like your ideki means your hands. Tislam is like, how to explain this, like thanks for your, it basically means like refers to thanks for your, like I hope your hands will be, it's hard to explain, like Tislam ideki, like safety for your hands, something along these lines, you know. But when we say them as Arabs, when we say these words, we don't really like, we just say them as phrases. We don't say them as like literally what they mean. It's just something we say in the occasion, you know. So it does not, like when we say it, we don't mean like I hope your hands will be safe for the rest of your life. We don't really mean it this way. It's just like, well, we do wish that, but when we say it, it's just a phrase we use. I hope that explained what I mean by this. I hope I did not confuse you. But this is a present tense. So if we were talking to a woman, so here's the, if it's a guy, idek. If it's a woman, ideki. So I'm going to highlight the ya here. And I'm not going to highlight anything here because it's like a default. It's going to be the same. Tislam ideki. Some people say yislamu ideki. It's different, but all means the same thing. So tislam ideki. So yeah, I'm going to read them now really quick. So when someone's sick, you say salamtik, salamtik. Going to travel, تروح وترجع بالسلامة. تروح وترجع بالسلامة. تروح وترجع بالسلامة. Back from travels or surgery, الحمد لله على السلامة. الحمد لله على السلامة. الحمد لله على السلامة. Well, if we say it's really fast or like as usual, the way we say Alhamdulillah Salame. So if you notice the lam and alif here and the al here, they're all like, when I said it as I usually say it without teaching, you don't really hear these 4 letters. Alhamdulillah As-Salame. Alhamdulillah As-Salame. Now the last one is if someone made something for you actually, this is not correct. It's for you, not to you, for you. Mainly food, you would say Tislam ideki. Tislam ideki. Ideki means your hands. So Tislam ideki. Okay, so let me stop sharing. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions underneath the video. I love to see your comments, your questions. And again, if you're looking for a tutor, I am here. I teach. I have availability right now, and my prices are really good at the moment. And please subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Thanks.